Okay, see if this works. I built a power switch for the RF modules, and this is currently installed in my Ar9x radio, 9x radio with Ar9x board. So what this does, this can control the power to the RF modules, and it does not use any extra pins on the processor of the radio. So I'm gonna here currently have both modules off. So I'm going, and I have two modules installed. I have a FreeSky module external here, and the inside I have another internal FreeSky module. So I'm going to turn the internal on. There you go. I'm going to turn it off. After 2 seconds, it should go off. It went off. Turn it on again. If you can see it, it's on. Turn it off again. Somewhere there. Turn it off again. Should have gone off, yeah. Now I'm going to turn the external module on. You can see. Should be on. No, I got out of the menu. Okay. And now it should be on. Okay, module turn on. Turn it off. Turn it on again. And turn it off after 2 seconds, turns off. First one, internal on. It's on. Internal one, it's off. Internal module on. Internal module off. Great. So now they are both off. I'm going to turn the external on. So it's on. Great.